Gosh guys, I want to cry, but I don't want to wash my makeup off. I don't want to wash my lashes off. I don't want them to swim away. Hey guys, oh my gosh, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, y'all girl has been gone for a hot minute, but with a good reason. Okay, so today I planned on getting back on YouTube, filming a video. The volcano erupted. So I live on an active volcano, for those of you who may not know, and she erupted last month on the 9th of April, May, yeah, April, because we are in May. So she erupted. I had to flee my home because of all of the ash and me having respiratory issues, so I had to leave home. And yeah, I never picked up my camera, my phone, never did that. But today I'm here, and I'm just here to let you guys know, that I missed you guys. Okay, I miss you guys. Every day I would be like, let me just pick up my phone and do a video, but I was not in the mood, guys. Like, my spirits were down. I was always in a funk, trying hard not to look it, but I was always trying to uplift myself, but it was hard. So without further ado, without further delays, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that way you never miss an upload. And yeah, so if you guys would like a story time, like a full story time on my volcanic eruption experience, let me know down in the comment section, and I will be sure to do that for you guys. All right, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is, it's fresh, it's new, it has been long awaited. Like, oh my gosh guys, I want to cry, but I don't want to wash my makeup off. I don't want to wash my lashes off. I don't want them to swim away. So yeah, today's video is like, it's gonna change the quality of my videos, let's just hope, in a good way, and it's gonna make me feel a bit more intrigued to record for you guys, right? So in today's video we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So I have here with me a package. I'm not gonna show you guys the front because my shipping address is on here, but yeah, I have for you guys here a package. Well, for me, well, for us, it's for us, right? It's for us. So I was sent this by a company. First of all, I won this in a giveaway. Now let me tell y'all the story, okay? So I was gonna enter I was gonna purchase a ring light, and well, there's a YouTuber who I normally watch, and she posted a giveaway on her channel. I watched it, and I was like, you know what do I have to lose? Nothing but like a couple minutes, right? So I entered the giveaway. I followed the page she said to follow, followed their Facebook, their Instagram, their YouTube, stuff like that, left my comment, and I kid y'all not, because sis wanted to save some coins. Guess what I did? Every day or every couple days I would go onto her video and check the comments to see, like, okay, how many people commented, so under the video, at the end of the allotted time, I think there were like probably 30 something 40 comments, but they were not from 40 something 30 something people. I was like, okay, so my chances just got a little bit thicker. The day that they were supposed to post, they didn't post. I was like, oh my gosh, it's a whole scam. I just wasted my time, blah 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 blah. But the next day they posted. Listen guys, just a quick cut. Y'all already know how it is with the noise. Unfortunately, my mic didn't get to me with the rest of my stuff, so we're gonna probably just have to bear with that for a little bit. So the next day they posted the video, and boop, guess who won something? So yeah, guys, so I won that the ring light. You know, they reached out to me on Instagram because I did leave my Instagram handle. You know, we had a conversation and they asked if it was okay if I could just post a video, and I was like, sure, no problem, because I already had, you know, I already was gonna do that because like, you know, I gotta let you know I got that stuff. We had a pretty decent conversation. They've been keeping in touch with me. I've been keeping in touch with them. So y'all never know. Maybe they might want to work with y'all girl one day, y'all. If y'all watching this, y'all thank y'all for working with me in the future. I would appreciate that. But I know you guys came for this, so without any further delays, let's just open this. You know, guys, I probably should have brought some scissors. I did not. So the company that I won this ring light from, they're called AiXPI. You know, I will just have to leave their information on the screen and down in the description box because I'm pretty sure I'm butchering their name. Yeah, so I will leave their information on the screen as well as down in the description box for you guys, so y'all can check them out. But yeah, this video isn't sponsored. I just so happened to, you know, win this. Yeah. So here it is. See? Oh, see? So y'all probably can't see this, but I will insert pictures and videos for you guys. So this is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. Just your regular run-of-the-mill brown box. Nothing spectacular about the box. Okay, what we want to see is what is inside the box. Alright, so let me try to open it for you guys. Oh, thumbnail. Okay, so I should get a thumbnail from this. Alright guys, so I'm about to open the box. By the way, we're seeing this for the first time together, alright? Because as you guys can see, I literally just opened it on camera. Whew. So this is what is inside the box. Y'all can see. So it comes with a product manual. I think this is the, yeah, so this is the Bluetooth remote. This is what it looks like. This, I believe, is the cord from the ring light, which we'll deal with that later. It just so happens to be on top. This looks like the, what was that? Oh, never mind. It was a piece of the tie cable, whatever you want to call it. This is the tripod, the stand, whatever y'all want to call it. This is that. So y'all see. So this looks very travel friendly because just look how small it gets. Let me see. Okay guys, so what happened is that I ended up having to set this up off camera because it was a lot going on, and I kept the tripod stand just kept falling down. So yeah, I had to just go ahead and do this off camera. Unboxing first, right guys? So okay, so in here is, whoa. Okay guys, so we got these 3 fittings. I will have to look at the manual to see what these fittings are for. This one for sure I know is for your phone. So they came in this bag inside this box. Yeah, official. Talking about official. So I have to see what these 2 fittings are for once I go through the manual. I'm gonna throw this again. This is the actual ring light. So it is, this is it, right? I'm thinking that you you mount it on here. So I'm gonna mount it on top of here for y'all. All right, let's just mount that on top of here. I think some parts are missing. I don't know. All right, guys, y'all obviously can't see me, but this is as tall as the this is as tall as the light goes. I'm sitting, so I'm gonna stand. So this is where we are at. Ooh, look at that. Do y'all see face? Do y'all see face? Okay, so I'm gonna sit and then I'm gonna readjust y'all so y'all can see. Yeah. So I already set up the camera, set up the ring light off camera, and it was a chore. Okay, so I'm not upset that I didn't do it on camera. I mean, if you guys want to see how to set up ring lights, there are there's an abundance of videos here on YouTube that you can check out. It's nothing really spectacular. I did catch my royal behind to get it, but I got it. So this is the Bluetooth shutter, and it comes with, you know, the camera / iOS option and the Android option. So I'm obviously using the Android option. The light isn't on yet, so I'm gonna turn the light on so you guys could see. So this is it. On. So off, on. So I don't know if you guys see a difference. And you have different settings. So this is a nice cool warm, sorry, you know, sultry setting, like, you know. And then there's this one, which I think it's like semi, because the color of the ring, it is partially orange / white, and then of course this is the white / cool setting. So as you guys can see, I'm literally, so with you guys closer, like right up in my face, right up in my business, this is what it looks like on, and then I'm gonna turn it off. So I do see a difference. Is it as bright as I thought it would be? I thought it would be. No, it's not, but you know, it's good. I didn't have a ring light before, so you know, I'm very grateful and very thankful. I will, however, try to do this at night just to, you know, kind of see the big difference, if it would be like a big difference. Off and on. So yes, there is a difference, so you guys could see. And I'm getting closer to the light. Yeah, you guys can see. So that is it. I will be sure to, you know, link. By the way, I'm not using the tripod that came with it right now because I have to find like the proper space to set it up. I may have to just change my guys, this lip gloss is always stressing me out. Ugh. Yeah, always stressing me out. Always stressing me out. But yeah, so I do have to find the optimal space to set this up. So once I find that space, it can go just a little bit longer than this. It can, but I have to unlock it, and it's a lot of work. But yeah, so once I find that, you know, space to set it up, once I, you know, redecorate and rearrange my space, then I would start to use. But I'm using the selfie stick, the bootleg tripod that I have been using for, you know, for forever, and it has been working for me. So just because I got something new does not mean that I'm going to just completely disregard her. No, y'all, she is like, she's a love of my YouTube life. Okay, she love my YouTube life. But guys, I hope that you guys found this video even remotely interesting. Like, oh my gosh, because, you know, yeah, right. So let me know other videos that you guys would like to see. I do have a mini haul video for you guys. Like, when I say mini, like, it is so mini. I got like what, 3 products for my skin and my face that, you know, I would like to put y'all onto. Well, 4. I'm already using one. I've been using it for over a month and I love it. But that's for that video. So yeah, let me just give y'all face. I'm giving you guys face with my new ring light. I love you guys and I will see you in another video.